This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 260RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 31 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleep 6, oven, LP detector, awning, water heater, slide-out, auxiliary battery, microwave, air conditioning, TV, stove-top burner, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 260RB is 6,147 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.